Introducing Revival. Naturally rustic with a strikingly handsome look, Revival is this year's latest addition to our award-winning restoration collection laminate, and it captures all the natural beauty and character that Hickory has to offer. Available in a 7.5-inch wide size with 20 unique planks for variety and style, Revival features 5 gorgeous colors: willow, natural, warmth, terra, and rain. With subtle hand sculpting and wire brushing, Revival meshes with many home decor styles, including mid-century mindset and Regency. When styled with mid-century elements, like mid-century furniture, clean lines, and organic curves, Revival helps create a modern and casual interior style. All Restoration Collection products feature Spill Shield Plus waterproof technology, making Revival easy to clean and both kid and pet friendly, so your new floor will resist everything and impress everyone. Mannington, begin to imagine.